The following workout is rated MA for math. Viewers' discretion is advised. Brought to you by 3CSN and LACCD in collaboration with UCLA. For many years, people have tried to analyze our perception of beauty, art, and music. The Greek philosopher Pythagoras found some astonishing harmony while listening to the variety of sounds created when the blacksmith's hammers hit their anvils. The weights of the anvils and the hammers all gave off different sounds. Pythagoras extended the study of perception to music and nature, finding recurring patterns and numbers. A famous ratio was discovered, the Golden Ratio. It could be found from the architecture of the Parthenon in ancient Greece all the way down to the art of Leonardo's Mona Lisa in ancient Italy. How about you? What have you heard about ratios? A ratio is a comparison between two different quantities, A and B, written A to B using a column, or A over B using fraction notation. B must be a non-zero number. You should remember that a fraction is a quotient of numbers A over B with B different than 0, except here A and B must be integers. In other words, 1 to the square root of 2 is a ratio, whereas 1 over the square root of 2 is not a fraction. Let us consider the following situation. A cocktail recipe calls for 1 shot of soda and 2 shots of orange juice. We say that the ratio of soda to orange juice in the drink is 1 to 2. Thus, to make any number of cocktails, the same ratio between the two quantities, soda and orange juice, must be preserved. This would ensure that the drink tastes the same no matter how many glasses of it we make. What do you think? How many shots of soda and how many shots of orange juice would we need to mix together in order to make 4 cocktails? Well, we keep the ratio between soda and orange juice the same, 1 to 2. Thus, if it takes 1 shot of soda and 2 shots of orange juice to make 1 cocktail, multiplying that ratio by 4 will give us the number of shots needed in order to make 4 cocktails. That is, 4 to 8. So we need 4 shots of soda and 8 shots of orange juice in order to make 4 cocktails. Another way to think about this is to pretend you're a bartender who has to make the same drink for 4 people. For each drink for those people, you use 1 shot of soda and 2 shots of orange juice. Repeat again, and one last time. We have poured 1 shot of soda 4 times. Thus, we have used 4 shots of soda. We have also poured 2 shots of orange juice 4 times. Thus, we have used 8 shots of orange juice. So the ratio is again 4 to 8.